Welcome to Analysis Prime University. My name is Michael Quinn, and I am a Senior Analytics Training Consultant with Analysis Prime University. In this tutorial, we will be talking about displaying unbooked data. More specifically, we will show you how to use the designer panel in the add-in, how to select dimensions or measures from the designer panel to include in a table, and then display unbooked members within a member selector window and within a table. In your workbook, click the filter icon for the account dimension in the designer panel to initiate the Set Filter for Account pop-up window. Notice that there is a default already chosen. Uncheck that box. And now you can see that the dimension members are displayed in their natural hierarchy. What I want you to do is click on the wrench and update the display options to ID and description. Expand the parent member called 8 net income, and you can see its leafs or children. Then expand parent member 28 expenses to also view its leaf or children. Click on the wrench icon and unselect Show Unbooked Members. Now expand 8 net income and its parent 28 expenses. And you will notice that member 52 supplies is no longer in view. This is because there is no booked data to this member. Go ahead and re-enable showing unbooked members. Expand the 8 net income again. And then next to 28 expenses, select the ellipsis and view the relationships available. Select the one that says Select Children Only. Confirm that you have chosen it and press OK. You can now see that that information has been added and is updated within your table. Keep in mind that there were a total of 5 children in parent member 28 expenses. However, the member 52 supplies is not in view in the table. Over in the designer table, click on the ellipsis next to the account dimension and choose Display Options, and then select ID. Notice now that it's got an ID number only. It does not have the description. Click on the ellipsis in the account dimension again and select the option Unbooked Data. Notice again, the table automatically added in 52 supplies and it is in view. This member has no data values booked to it, therefore it was not in the view by default. Go ahead and disable the Unbooked Data view. Click the ellipsis icon again next to the account dimension in the designer panel and select Properties. Check the box next to Description and Account Type and press OK. You can now see that description and account type are included in the table. Click the filter icon for the account dimension within the designer panel, which will open the Set Filter for Account. Expand 8 net income, and then click the ellipsis next to 28 expenses, and then choose the relationship, select Self and Descendants. Confirm that you have chosen that and click OK. Notice now that you have that account showing, and then you also have the identifiers of description and account type. In this tutorial, we showed you how to use the designer panel in the SAC add-on for Microsoft Office, how to select dimensions or measures from that designer panel to include in a table, and then ultimately how to display unbooked members within the member selector window and within a table. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, click the like button below. You can also view our growing catalog of self-paced courses, tutorials, webinars, and join the community forum by creating your free account at analysisprimeuniversity.com.